In this video, you'll learn how to fix slow responses in Claude Code. By following these steps, you can optimize the performance of your development environment and ensure a smoother coding experience. Start by checking your system resources to determine if they are affecting Claude Code's performance. On a Windows machine, press Ctrl, Shift, and S simultaneously to open the Task Manager. Once the Task Manager appears, look at the CPU usage. For optimal Claude execution, it should be below 80%. Next, check the RAM usage. It is recommended that you have at least 16 gigabytes of free RAM available. Additionally, verify the disk performance. Ensure that the installer or workspace is not located on a slow hard disk drive. For better performance, consider moving your workspace to an NVMe solid-state drive, especially for larger projects. The next step is to reduce the size of your workspace. Claude Code can experience lag if the project folder contains thousands of files. To optimize this, keep your source code organized within one main folder. It is also essential to exclude certain directories such as node_modules, vvend, or cache folders from indexing. To ignore these folders, you can use the command echo node_modules / followed by echo .vvend / and append these lines to your .claude ignore file. This will help streamline your workspace and enhance performance. If you are using a remote setup, switching to a local runtime can significantly improve response times. By default, Claude Code may utilize cloud processing, which can be slow if your network is unstable. To force local mode, enter the command Claude Code config set runtime local in your terminal. This adjustment ensures that all computations occur on your machine, providing faster responses, especially if your CPU is capable. Up-to-SAID dependencies is another crucial step for improving speed. Slow responses can often result from outdated dependencies. To update, run the command Claude Code update followed by winget upgrade -all. If your project utilizes additional languages, make sure to also update Python, Node, or Java as needed. After completing the updates, restart Claude Code to apply the changes effectively. Increasing memory allocation can also enhance Claude Code's performance. The application may have default memory limits that could be restricting its capability. To adjust this, open the configuration file by entering Notepad followed by the path $M. USR profile, Claude Code configs Claude YOML. This file, you can add or update the memory _limit_GB to 8, assuming you have more than 16 gigabytes of RAM. Additionally, consider increasing the thread _count to 4 to allow for more parallel processing. After making these changes, save the file and restart Claude Code. Finally, check for any network issues that could be affecting performance, especially if you are using cloud plugins. To diagnose potential network problems, use the command ping ap.claude.com and trace at ap.claude.com. If you experience high latency, consider switching to wired connection or reverting to local runtime for better stability. As a last step, run a diagnostic by entering the command Claude Code Doctor. This will reveal any warnings related to memory bottlenecks, dependency mismatches, or network latency, along with suggested fixes to improve performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.